Two leading chatbot platforms, one focused on no-code social media automation, the other powered by cutting-edge AI. Which one really delivers? On the left, ManyChat, simple, visual, and built for social channels. On the right, ZappyChat, AI-powered and ready to automate conversations everywhere. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive straight into what matters most. Each segment scores points. By the end, you'll know exactly who comes out ahead for 2025. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Okay, quick roadmap time. Here's what we're going to look at: ease of use, AI and conversation quality, channel support, personalization and use cases, pricing, analytics and integrations, and lastly, scalability for those bigger setups. All right, let's dive in. First up, ease of use. So, ManyChat, honestly, it's like setting up a Lego set for your business. Drag and drop builder, totally no code. Even if you're just starting out, you'll feel right at home. Tons of templates. So, launching your first bot, crazy easy. Now, ZappyChat, this one's got some powerful AI stuff, but let's be real. Setting up those advanced workflows can get kind of technical. Templates, not nearly as many. So if you're a beginner, you might be scratching your head a bit. Winner here, ManyChat, for the sheer simplicity. Moving on, AI and conversation quality. ManyChat is pretty good for basic stuff. Auto replies, keyword triggers, and a few smart intents. They've got some new AI tricks, like on Instagram, but the conversations, sometimes they feel kinda canned. Now, ZappyChat, wow, their generative AI is next level. The bot actually adapts its tone and context on the fly. Ask unpredictable questions, and it handles it like a pro, which is super cool. Yeah, setup's not the smoothest for non-techies, but if you crave natural convos, ZappyChat's the winner. Now, let's talk channel support. ManyChat is absolutely killing it on Instagram, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, SMS, even does Telegram. But if you want to hop onto web chat or team tools, it's kind of limited. Then there's ZappyChat, which spreads across WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, email, web. But honestly, it's not quite as slick for social automation as ManyChat. You know what? Let's call this one a tie. Depends on where your audience is. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know ManyChat started as a Facebook Messenger tool, then branched out to other channels? Meanwhile, ZappyChat's been all in on AI from the very start. The vibe is kind of different between them, right? All right, personalization and use cases. ManyChat relies on manual rules and flow setups. So if you're a marketer wanting custom lead funnels, it's solid, although, yeah, setting up deeper personalization takes a bit more effort. ZappyChat? Their AI adapts instantly to whatever input or context you throw at it, like live product recs based on what someone just asked. Very smart. There's a catch though. Personalization hinges on how good your AI training is. Still, ZappyChat has the edge here. Let's break down pricing. ManyChat has a free plan up to 1,000 contacts, which, honestly, amazing if you're just getting started. Paid plans start at $15 per month, so budget-wise, it's really friendly. But yeah, if your audience blows up, the costs jump pretty quick. On the flip side, ZappyChat's pricing adapts to usage, perfect if you're only using their AI here and there, and possibly saving money at scale. But there's no free tier from what I saw, and costs can be a bit unpredictable if everyone's chatting up the AI. So ManyChat takes it for affordability. Analytics and integrations now. ManyChat packs easy connections to Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, even Shopify and Zapier. Analytics are pretty straightforward, but if you want something fancier, you'll need extra tools. ZappyChat connects with most mainstream chat and workflow apps, but the analytics are not as robust, especially natively. So if you want plug-and-play insights, ManyChat nudges ahead. Scalability and enterprise. This is really where it gets interesting. ManyChat absolutely rocks for small businesses or solo projects. But if you need big team stuff, like version control or advanced workflows, you'll hit some walls. ZappyChat was built for scaling up, handles complicated workflows, adapts with AI, and spans lots of channels. And big orgs will love that. Caveat: the learning curve is real. Either way, ZappyChat wins for larger setups. Let's plot how these two stack up, visually. You'll really see where ManyChat excels in ease, pricing, and social integrations, and ZappyChat spiking in AI, personalization, and scalability. Basically, wherever your priorities land, you'll spot the winner at a glance. So when should you pick each one? If you're after simple setup, budget-friendly plans, and you live on Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, ManyChat is honestly hard to beat. But if you want super advanced AI, dynamic conversations, and you need to juggle a bunch of channels, including web and work apps, ZappyChat's where the action is. Both have their quirks, but for pure AI smarts and future-proof scaling, ZappyChat comes out on top in most advanced categories.
If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next